Hi, my name is Sienna Grolick, and I am the forest school teacher at Blackacre. I love teaching outside. I have been in education for almost 10 years, and I have really enjoyed being in the forest school movement. I've been on both sides of the fence, as my son was a student in forest school, and that's how we came to join forest school and be part of the forest school community. I've seen the benefits for him and what it's done to his education, and I thought, well, I want to be involved in that. So I thought I could bring it to other students, and that's why I'm here.
You said so. We just stir these buckets up.
So you're probably asking yourself, why should I put my child in forest school? Well, the truth is there are so many benefits to attending a forest school. The first benefit is that children use their imagination much more in a setting that is play-based. In forest school, studies have shown that students who attend the forest schools use more of their imagination and are more creative. For example, a stick can become anything to a child. It can become a pen. It can become a wand. It can become a tool. The sky is the limit with their imagination. I've seen forests become doctor's office. I've seen forests become villages. The forest comes alive in their imagination. Forest school also brings students a sense of community. It teaches them to be good stewards of the earth and be kind to each other. It also teaches them problem-solving skills where they can work together to solve problems. It teaches them to become more confident and to trust themselves when climbing things and when jumping. It teaches students how to solve their own problems when they're figuring out how to climb down the trees. Students enrolled in forest school also build a love of nature and build a love of animals. They build a relationship that they will have with the rest of their life with nature.
And what color are they?
Green.
And what do you think eats leaves?
Students also become more confident as they learn to climb and they learn to jump and trust their bodies more when they're taking these physical tasks. The children's gross motor skills are also heavily developed, and their fine motor skills become heavily developed as well.
Move. Wait, what? There's a worm here. Yes. No, it's a beetle. That beetle. Is that dead? Is that dead? It's dead.
Why choose Blackacre to be a part of your child's education? Well, there are many reasons. It's part of a historic homestead that has been here for many years. It's also a nature preserve in which we can rehabilitate species that have gone extinct and different plants and habitats. It encourages people to love their community and to be involved in their community. At Blackacre, students can be in a different ecosystem in one part and a totally different ecosystem in another part. They can explore the pond. They can explore the meadow. They can explore the forest.
Does it feel smooth?
Another benefit is the agricultural benefit. Students can brush the goats, feed the horses, and interact with Farmer Larry as he teaches us how to milk the goats. So come let your child have the time of their lives learning and playing in our forest school at Blackacre. We can't wait to see you.
Fly me. Sticky. Sticky. Can I touch?
Look at that bug.
Sticky, gooey.
It's a cat. I think it's a cat.
Can you do that? Wow. I bet you can. Your turn.